The exclusive angled casting chimney, used with the cobalt chromium base, has all the advantages of our angled abutments: continuous surface for an easy wax up and casting, and an optimum screw channel design in different angles. To ensure an optimum fitting with the cobalt chromium base, the angled casting chimney includes 3 retention pins that fit into the base's horizontal guide, enabling axial retention and the free movement of the chimney. This is ideal for correcting undesired implant defects. Its opposite engaging flat walls prevent rotation in single restorations. The angled casting chimney can be used for overcasting, as well as separate casting and laser welding. This video demonstrates the overcasting of the cobalt chromium base and the angled casting chimney in the creation of a single screw retain implant restoration. Here we are able to see how it's possible to cast a multiple restoration using the angled casting chimney. First, the angled chimney is waxed up. Then, it is casted without the cobalt chromium base. After, the casted structure is adjusted over the cobalt chromium base, thereby achieving a passive fit. Finally, the structure is fixed through laser welding. In this case, we have a casted structure which is quite affordable, but was made using a mechanized fitting.